Tired of spending hours sketching endless character variations for your storyboard? In just 90 seconds, I'll show you how to leverage Midjourney to instantly generate compelling character concepts and visual references that will turbocharge your storyboarding process. First, let's define our character's core identity. Open Midjourney and start a new prompt. Think about your character's personality, age, and role in the story. For this hero, we'll describe her as a brave young explorer, with fiery red hair tied back, wearing sturdy leather armor and a weathered cloak. Now, let's add some action and emotion to create dynamic poses. Use descriptive words focusing on movement and feeling. We'll add mid-stride, looking into the distance with a determined gaze, holding a glowing amulet. To ensure your characters fit your story's mood and setting, specify the environment for this scene. We'll add in a mystical, ancient ruin, surrounded by overgrown vines and shafts of light. Midjourney excels at rapid iteration. Experiment with different adjectives, lighting, and compositions to quickly explore various looks and feels until you find the perfect visual representation for your story's needs. By mastering prompt engineering, you can transform Midjourney into an invaluable tool for rapidly generating character concepts, making your storyboarding process faster, more detailed, and infinitely more inspiring. Happy creating!